Discover the Mediterranean diet, a heart-healthy lifestyle backed by decades of research. This celebrated eating pattern comes from the sun-kissed shores of Greece, Italy, Spain, and France. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Health and Wellness Diet series.
The Mediterranean diet is a philosophy, not a rigid rulebook. It emphasizes seasonal and local food, communal eating, active living, and mindful moderation. Chapter 2 focuses on the core foods and food groups of the diet. Every ingredient is chosen for flavor, nutrition, and longevity, from olive oil to vibrant vegetables and whole grains. The Mediterranean food pyramid is a hierarchy. Plant-based staples form the foundation, with animal products consumed sparingly at the top. The goal is to shift your plate toward plants and healthy fats. Extra virgin olive oil is the golden foundation of the diet. It's rich in monounsaturated fatty acids and polyphenols, protecting the cardiovascular system and reducing inflammation. Vegetables and legumes are the heart of every plate, providing fiber, antioxidants, and plant-based protein. This includes seasonal vegetables, legumes like chickpeas and lentils, and herbs and aromatics. Whole grains, nuts, and seeds are essential. The diet favors unrefined whole grains for sustained energy and dietary fiber. Nuts and seeds are daily staples, rich in healthy fats and protein. Fish and seafood should be consumed at least 2 to 3 times per week. Oily fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and support heart and brain function. Dairy, poultry, and eggs are enjoyed in moderation. Small amounts of Greek yogurt and aged cheeses are consumed daily. Poultry and eggs appear a few times a week, grilled or baked with herbs and vegetables. Red meat and sweets are a rare pleasure, reserved for a few times per month or special occasions. Day-to-day sweetness comes from fresh fruit, providing fiber and antioxidants. Chapter 3 covers the science behind the Mediterranean diet. Decades of research confirm its effectiveness in reducing the risk of chronic disease and supporting a longer, healthier life. Landmark research spans decades. Early studies in the 1950s and 60s identified low heart disease rates. Later trials, like PREDIMED, proved the diet's cardiovascular benefits, reducing events by 30%. The most powerful evidence is for heart health. The Mediterranean diet is one of the most effective strategies to prevent cardiovascular disease. Studies show a 30% reduction in major cardiovascular events. The diet is a powerful ally in preventing and managing type 2 diabetes. Adherence reduces the risk of developing the disease by up to 23% and improves glycemic control. The Mediterranean diet supports brain health and protects against cognitive decline. Key benefits include reducing neuroinflammation, lowering oxidative stress, and promoting vascular and gut-brain health. The numbers speak for themselves. Decades of research consistently show the Mediterranean diet's impact on disease prevention and longevity, including a 25% lower cancer risk and a 53% reduction in Alzheimer's risk. Chronic, low-grade inflammation drives many diseases. The Mediterranean diet is a potent anti-inflammatory pattern, rich in polyphenols, omega-3s, and antioxidants that protect cells and organs. The diet supports weight management through sustainable weight loss. It specifically targets visceral belly fat, which is linked to insulin resistance, and improves overall metabolism markers. Chapter 4 provides practical tips for getting started. Remember, profound transformation comes from small, consistent swaps over time. You don't need to live in Greece to embrace this lifestyle. Make smart swaps from standard ingredients to Mediterranean ones. Replace butter with olive oil, red meat with oily fish or legumes, and sugary snacks with nuts and fruit. Start building your Mediterranean pantry. Stock up on extra virgin olive oil, canned legumes, whole grains, and dried herbs. Keep fresh items like lemons, garlic, Greek yogurt, and seasonal vegetables on hand. Adopt these daily habits. Start every meal with vegetables. Use olive oil as your primary fat. Snack on nuts and fruit, cook with aromatics, and sit down to eat slowly and mindfully. More key habits include making fish the weekly protein star, replacing red meat with legumes, drinking water as your main beverage, choosing whole grains, and ending meals with fruit, not sugar. Chapter 5 offers sample menus and recipes to show what a week of delicious, satisfying Mediterranean eating actually looks like. It is simple to prepare and focuses on whole foods. A typical Mediterranean day features Greek yogurt with berries for breakfast, a large vegetable and legume-based salad for lunch, and baked fish or chicken for dinner, always accompanied by healthy fats and fresh produce. Try this classic Greek salad recipe. Combine fresh tomatoes, cucumber, onion, and olives. Top with a block of feta and dress with a simple blend of extra virgin olive oil, red wine vinegar, and oregano. It's ready in 10 minutes. The one-pan lemon herb salmon is a simple dinner. Roast salmon fillets alongside cherry tomatoes and zucchini. Drizzle with olive oil, lemon, garlic, and fresh herbs for a nutritious meal ready in under 20 minutes. This 5-day meal plan shows the variety of the diet. You can easily adapt it by mixing and matching meals to suit your preferences, while keeping the core principles in mind. The diet is not necessarily expensive, thanks to legumes and whole grains. It is vegetarian-friendly, supports gradual weight loss, and the monounsaturated fats in olive oil are highly heart protective. The Mediterranean region hosts famous blue zones, where people often live past 90 in excellent health. This diet emphasizes not just adding years to your life, but adding life to your years through healthy food, community, and activity. The blue zone connection is powerful. Blue zones are longevity hotspots, including Sardinia, Italy, and Icaria, Greece. Their common factors include plant-based diets, olive oil, legumes, strong social bonds, and daily physical activity. Emerging research links the Mediterranean diet to mental well-being. Studies show significant reductions in depression symptoms. The diet nourishes the gut, which produces up to 90% of the body's serotonin. This diet is excellent for the gut microbiome. Fiber from vegetables and legumes acts as prebiotics, feeding beneficial bacteria. A thriving gut supports immunity, mood, and cognitive function. You can adapt the Mediterranean principles to any culture. Focus on the core principles, using olive oil, eating lots of plant-based foods, and choosing whole grains, regardless of the cuisine. Reading labels the Mediterranean way is simple. Look for short, recognizable ingredient lists. Prioritize foods where olive oil or whole grain is the first ingredient. Avoid hydrogenated oils and excess sugar. Dining out should be a pleasure. Look for restaurants with grilled fish, vegetable-forward dishes, or legume soups. Ask for olive oil instead of butter, and choose simple, whole food options. Don't overlook often forgotten Mediterranean foods. Canned sardines are rich in omega-3s. Pomegranate is packed with antioxidants. Fennel and tahini are nutritious staples that add great flavor. Moderate red wine consumption, 1 to 2 small glasses with food, is associated with cardiovascular benefits. However, alcohol is not a required part of the diet, and non-drinkers should not start for health reasons. Physical activity is an essential pillar of the Mediterranean lifestyle. Combine the diet with regular movement for amplified benefits. Aim for natural movement, such as 30 minutes of walking daily. Major health organizations endorse the Mediterranean diet. The WHO, American Heart Association, and Harvard Public Health all recognize it as a top strategy for preventing chronic disease and promoting heart health. U.S. News and World Report has consistently ranked the Mediterranean diet the #1 overall diet for 7 consecutive years. It is celebrated for its nutritional completeness, long-term effectiveness, and ease of compliance. The Mediterranean diet is beneficial for children, promoting better cognitive development and lower rates of childhood obesity. Family meals reinforce both nutritional and social-emotional benefits. Overcome common challenges with simple strategies. Batch cook grains for quick meals, introduce new flavors gradually to family members, and remember that the principles matter more than finding exact ingredients. Mediterranean snacking is delicious and nourishing. Keep mixed nuts, fresh fruit, and hummus visible and accessible. Traditional snacks are naturally portion regulating due to healthy fats and fiber. Setting up your kitchen to support the diet is key. Invest in a good pan, a mortar and pestle for fresh herbs, glass storage jars, and a large salad bowl to make Mediterranean cooking enjoyable and simple.